Check out all these stripes. How can you be upset with a budget mower pumping out results like this?
Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB, giving you the best tips and tricks to survive life in and out of the garage. Full transparency here, after a few emails with POWERSMART, they sent a few lawnmowers my way. They agreed to me giving them honest and authentic reviews, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the POWERSMART 21-inch self-propelled 3-in-1 209cc gas-powered lawnmower. The model number is PSM 2521SH, and it is made in China. I previously made a video on how to assemble this mower, and I'll have that video linked down below in the description for you. So here are the cold hard facts on this lawnmower. Right off the bat, this mower has a powerful engine. 209 cc's provides plenty of power for improved cutting, and it's easy to pull start. The rear-wheel drive self-propel allows you to quickly and efficiently mow your lawn, saving time and energy. It has 5 different height adjustments ranging from 1.18 inches all the way up to 3 inches. This is good for a variety of lawns and grass types. This mower has a 21-inch cutting width, 20.5 to be exact. This is a 3-in-1 unit which allows you to mulch, side discharge, and bag your clippings. This mower is ideal for yards up to a half an acre, and this gas-powered lawnmower is designed to handle larger lawn areas and taller grass. The entire unit only weighs 77 pounds, riding on 7-inch wheels in the front and 8-inch wheels in the back. Oil capacity on this unit is 16.9 fluid ounces, and the fuel capacity is 0.24 gallons. And in order to fuel this video with the YouTube algorithm, would you mind taking a super quick second to hit that like button down below? Thank you very much. Now here is what I like on this mower. This mower has a very powerful engine, 209 cc's. Just to put this in perspective, the Toro Time Master has a 223 cc engine with a twin blade design. With 209 cc's, that's a lot of power for a small 21-inch mower. Basically, it's like we're putting a screaming V8 on a Honda Civic. Tall grass should definitely be afraid. What also caught my eye is the engine design. It has a horizontal drive shaft. They pretty much stole this design from their snowblower models and carried it over to their lawnmowers. And when you think about it, POWERSMART actually had to make an engineering decision here. Was it cheaper to create an entirely new powerful vertical shaft engine for these models, or introduce a design to spin a blade underneath a horizontal shaft engine? Behind this assembly, there's a durable pinion shaft with loads of grease up here that goes below the deck to spin a double pulley. Off that double pulley, there's 2 belts running the show. One belt goes to the blade, and the other belt goes to the transmission. Pretty cool how they designed that. Next, a nowadays disappearing double bail design. Many companies are either chasing Toro's personal pace design or getting gimmicky with some kind of Xbox-style thumb drive. This is old school, but guess what? It's easy to use and easy to fix. And as your palms hold this top bail down, your fingers below are free to move this drive bail up and down. Simply pull up and away you go. I have read some comments about the wheel speed and the self-propel being too quick. I found that this mower moves at just the right speed for me. I prefer an active mow, and when you pull down on that handlebar, that mower will go at a nice speed. For me, I found it just right. I was really impressed with the overall cut quality of this machine. It laid down some fantastic stripes.
Check out all these stripes. How can you be upset with a budget mower pumping out results like this?
In terms of mulching capabilities, it did a pretty good job. Check it out for those wondering how it mulches. Not too shabby. Could be a little smaller in terms of shredding, but not bad overall. This is what it looked like on mulch mode. This is what spit out the mower as I was passing along the sidewalk. With bagging, it sucked up everything in its path, and that bag is plenty big enough to fit lots of grass. The side discharge also did a great job, not spewing out any major clumps that might have been caught up underneath the deck. For those wondering how it performs in tall grass, it mowed right through without bogging down, not even once. I think we owe that to this massive engine on this small mower. Overall, this 3-in-1 mower did a fantastic job in every single category. Now here's what grinds my gears with this lawnmower. These height adjusters are metal on plastic. And in my experience, metal wins the fight over plastic every time. I have a strong feeling these ridges will wear down and over time have trouble holding their position. I wish they would have put some kind of metal plate back here instead. Same thing here on the back wheels. Another issue regarding the height adjusters is the limited height that you actually get. This mower only goes up about 3 inches, and if you're going for that taller lawn look or trying to mow a taller lawn, then you're kind of topped out at that 3-inch mark when other mowers are hitting 3.5 or even 4 inches in height. Very limited there. Next, the gas tank is very small. It may look big, but don't let that cover on top deceive you. It only holds about 1 quart of fuel. I actually tested this when I ran the engine for the 30-minute break-in, and I actually kept the engine running a little bit longer, and it stopped at 35 minutes. That means you only get about 35 minutes of runtime on that tank of gas. I have a 10,000 square foot lawn, and that means I will definitely have to stop at least once during my mow, perhaps about halfway, to refuel. Another item that will wear down quickly on these lawnmowers are the wheels. They're made of a hard plastic but have a limited tread depth. This means you'll be spinning your wheels when it comes to wet grass, and you'll have a need for new ones just after a few short seasons. Since this lawnmower has a new engine design with all the extra components to get the blade spinning, it does raise the question of how long will it last? Proper maintenance and routine lubrication of these pinion gears will be required. Lastly, the oil drain is perhaps in the worst possible spot. When you change the oil here, you're going to take out this drain plug, and hypothetically all the oil will drain down this little channel here down to this hole, and you'll have to put a pan underneath the mower to catch it all. Look, let's be honest, you're going to have a very big mess all over your deck. The best way to change the oil on this mower is to take out this dipstick, use an extraction pump, and siphon out all the oil inside that way. That's the easiest way to do it with no mess. I'll have an extraction pump linked down below in the description for you. With all that being said, we have to keep in mind that this is still a budget mower offering a surprising amount of power. It's small, but capable. If you ran this mower on ethanol-free fuel, you should have no engine issues for a long time. This would be a decent mower for a new homeowner, perhaps with a small lawn, perhaps on a budget, that needs to get through those first 5 to 10 years of home ownership. And if you don't want to spend a lot of money and need a mower to get the job done quick once a week without all the bells and whistles, then this is it. For more cool garage gear content, click or tap the screen right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.